How to create AT&T account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After opening up, you have to click on the search bar and search for AT&T. After that, you will be able to see the one and only option, so you have to go for that. After a few seconds of loading, you'll be taken to the official web page of AT&T. So in order to create an account, you have to click on the drop down sign next to the My AT&T option in the right upper corner. And from over here, you have to go for sign in option. And after that, you will be able to see this interface over here. Since we are trying to create an account, you have to go for don't have an user ID, create new one option. And here you have to select the service for which you want to register. I'm selecting for AT&T email. And after selecting, you have to go for continue.
In this section, you need to enter your username and your domain ID. You also have to enter your first name, last name, and verify your age.
And go for continue. You have to enter your mobile number and your zip code over here. You also have to enter your alternative email if you want to. After that, you have to go for send code option, and when you get the code, you have to enter it over here. And after fulfilling all this information, you will be able to create your AT&T account. So by following this simple step, you can create AT&T account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.